In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper grille on your Toyota Highlander. Remove all the clips on the upper radiator trim cover. Push straight down. This puts them in the unlocked position. When you pull up, the clips will kind of pull up on you. Try and gather them as they come up so you don't lose them. On the two sides, we're going to push in this front clip and pull up on this trim. I'm going to take these clips out. So I don't lose them. Then it makes it able for me to take out the upper radiator trim, put this to the side, remove the clips for the front grille, To remove the upper grille, reach down and there will be these little tabs all along. We are going to lift up on the tab and pull forward. This will put it in the unlocked position. Pop them out. Keep going down the line. And then pull straight out. Install the upper grille. Install the clips into the upper grille. Install the upper cowl piece. Make sure it goes under these two side pieces, one here and one here. Install the clips. Before putting these back in, you want to put them all in the unlocked position. Push up from the bottom. Make sure the little top is poking out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.